Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get to Lookout Landing Bunker. First, you'll want to make your way to Lookout Landing, which is a prominent landmark situated near the center of the map. Once there, your primary goal is to find the emergency shelter entrance. This entrance is quite distinctive. It's a large, circular metal hatch embedded directly into the ground, usually found within the main, open area of the landing. It's your key to descending into the bunker below. Once you've identified the circular metal hatch, simply interact with it to initiate the opening sequence. This action will trigger a brief loading screen, seamlessly transitioning you from the surface into the underground facility. Upon completion of the load, you'll emerge into a small, initial chamber. This area serves as a preliminary entry point, preparing you for the deeper sections of the bunker that lie ahead. It's a straightforward process to get inside. After entering the initial chamber, your next step is to proceed directly forward. As you move, you will quickly spot a very large, heavily reinforced metal door. This isn't just any door, it's the definitive entrance to the main Lookout Landing bunker itself. It stands out due to its robust construction and imposing size, clearly marking the threshold to the extensive underground complex. Getting to this point means you're almost there. With the main bunker door in sight, simply interact with it to gain entry. This action will open the heavy door, granting you full access to the vast interior of the Lookout Landing bunker. Once inside, you are free to explore the numerous sections, discover hidden passages, and utilize the various facilities available within this expansive underground complex. Congratulations, you've successfully reached your destination and can now begin your adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.